Okay, after come back to Miss Lena's kitchen, I welcome you all to come in and enjoy, hope you will enjoy this video that I'm getting ready to make. And first of all, I will be doing Luke 6:38. Give, and it will be given to you. A good measure, pressed down, shaken together, and running over, will be poured into your lap. Luke 6:38. Thank you so much. And it's thank you to all of my subscribers, all of my new ones, all of my supporters, everybody. I appreciate you all so much for everything that you have done for the last 4 months for me while I've been not making the videos. So now I'm getting ready to do, I have some chicken thighs and chicken drumsticks. And I'm getting ready to do a Dr. Pepper BBQ chicken with the Dr. Pepper. And all of these ingredients that I will be using, okay? I'll be using the Paparika, also liquid smoke, Dr. Pepper, the 5-star peppers. I'll be using sweet baby Ray. I'll be using just a little bit of hot sauce. I also have honey garlic, and I have black pepper, garlic, and powder, and onion powder. And these are the ingredients that I'll be using. So now I'm getting ready to start pouring them on. And I would like for you to watch. And I hope you will take these. This is just something, I have a little something different that I'll be doing from now on from you all. This is going to be my honey garlic is what I'm putting on now. So this is the honey garlic that I'm putting on now. Okay. I'm going back. This is just a regular onion powder. The regular garlic powder. Okay. Paprika. And my, I said 5-star peppers, but this is known as the 7 pepper seasoning. Okay. I'll be putting just a little bit of hot sauce on it also. But I'm going to mix the hot sauce into, I have 2 tablespoons of just regular ketchup. And I'm going to put the hot sauce into the ketchup. Okay. And I'm also going to be putting my smoke sauce into the ketchup. And into the ketchup or some of it. And I'm also going to be pouring some on the chicken as well. I'm going to be doing both sides of this, so I'm going to turn it over in order to, I like for it to be real seasoned with the smoke sauce. So I'm kind of turning it over so we can get it all smoked up real good. Now, on this, I've got all this in here. So now, I'm going to be pouring some of the Baby Ray into my ketchup, which I have 2 tablespoons of ketchup in there, and just a little bit of okay. Now into the ketchup, I'll be pouring just a little bit of the Dr. Pepper in there also. Now I'm going to mix it up. I didn't put my black pepper on. Okay. Open it. Okay. So now we'll be putting some of my mixture on top now. I'll be rubbing it in so as I get it down here. So okay. I need to get one more thing. I put just a little bit of brown sugar, but okay, let me put my gloves on. Okay. Just a little bit. Okay, I'm adding a little bit of sweet and hot mustard to it. This has a lot of ingredients, so I know it's going to be good. A lot of ingredients is in this barbecue chicken, Dr. Pepper barbecue chicken. So, have about 1/4 of a tablespoon of, that's 1/3 tablespoon of brown sugar. So, all right. So I know this is delicious. I know that from the beginning, you guys. So. All right, so all of it's been turned over. All right, so now all I'm liking is just putting my extra. I'll put the extra on here. Wait a minute. Work some back in there. Take that glove out.
Okay, y'all.
All right, so now I've got all the seasoning back on there again. So I'll be pouring my Dr. Pepper around.
Okay, y'all. She'll be back once it's done.
Okay, I'm going to cook it on 400 to start with, about 20 minutes. Then I'm going to put it back to 350 for about 20 more minutes. So altogether, it would be probably cooking between 40 and 45 minutes. Thank you so much.
And we'll be back.